I hope you guys are all having a fantastic day. EasyAutoFix here, and today we're gonna learn symptoms of a bad brake light switch. The purpose of the brake light switch is to close the electrical circuit to turn on the brake lights. This switch is activated when pressing down on the brake pedal. It's also used to alert the ABS system, deactivate the cruise control, activate the shift interlock solenoid to shift out of park, and allow the car to turn on a push button start system. The location of the brake light switch is usually near the brake pedal assembly. The first symptom of a bad brake light switch is having a check engine light on. You might also have the ABS light. If something is wrong with the brake switch, these codes can pop up. I'll leave the scanner that I use and works for me linked in the description below. The second symptom is the brake lights don't turn on. If you have a defective switch, there won't be electrical current flowing through it to reach the brake lights when pressing down on the brake pedal. If electrical current doesn't reach the brake lights, they won't be able to turn on. On the flip side, the third symptom is the brake lights staying on all the time. This can happen if the switch is shorted internally. Another reason could be the brake light switch stopper fell off. Not having the stopper will have the switch always closed, sending electrical current to the brake lights at all times. Make sure to get this fixed right away, as this can be the reason why your battery's dead the next morning. The fourth symptom is the car won't start. This only applies to the cars with a push button start system, since it only works when it detects the brake pedals applied. A faulty brake switch won't be able to signal the push button start system when the brake pedal is depressed, leaving you with a no start condition. The fifth symptom is the cruise control not working. In normal operation, the cruise control gets deactivated when pressing down on the brake pedal. The cruise control gets this information from the brake light switch. Now if the brake light switch isn't working properly, then the cruise control won't either. The sixth symptom is stuck in park. You'll be pressing down on the brake pedal trying to shift from park to reverse, but it doesn't do anything. Most people don't know this, but when pressing down on the brake pedal, it sends a signal to activate the shift interlock solenoid to allow shifting out of park. It's a safety feature. The problem is, when the brake switch isn't working, there won't be a signal going to the shift interlock solenoid preventing it from functioning. This is why you're stuck in the park position. Awesome, thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe so I can see you in the next one.